Working with colors is without any doubt awesome. Just look at this shot, the red, the blue. But what if later on you decide, I want a little bit more blue? What is a really easy way to do this? You can do it with a black and white adjustment layer. You don't believe it? Let's take a look. Go for your layer, go for an adjustment layer. Now go for black and white. Now you can already start doing some really cool stuff by, for example, using multiply, color burn, light and sharp, all those overlays. But the one we're going to go for today is actually lumosity. Now, as you know, all colors consist of three coordinates: the X, the Y, hue, saturation, and luminance, the big Y. Now, as soon as we choose the mode luminance, you will see that there isn't a lot changing in our image. And everything that changed we can bring back. But as soon as we can manipulate the luminance channel of the colors, we can do some pretty cool stuff, like for example lower the brightness in red. But let's say we want more of that blue light coming in. There we go. You can also of course play around with cyan. You can play around with all the colors. Now if a color isn't in your image, I highly recommend not touching that slider. And as you can see here, I can create a nice balance within my image. This is a really cool trick and it works like a charm. You can do it on almost any shot, and this way you can create great colors and of course impact in your shots just by using a black and white adjustment layer. Again, now it's on lumosity, but feel free to change it, for example, to soft light for even more impact. Of course you have to change the balance again. Really cool trick. I use it all the time in my photography to give it that extra oomph in the shots. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip about Photoshop and the black and white adjustment layer.